Hi, welcome to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. My name is Tarheem. We are going to make Tarka Dal, which is Grandma's special recipe. To begin with, we have soaked 1 cup of red lentils for around about an hour to 2 hours. Then we boiled 4 cups of water. I've added the lentils. I've added a teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've kept it on medium to low for about 25 minutes. As you can see, my dal is ready. So I'm just going to now cut 1/3 of an onion finely diced. And we have 8 cloves of garlic. It's your choice, one more or less. We're going to finely dice them now. So we are now going to add 1/3 of stick of butter in the pan. Just going to let it heat up until it's melted on medium to low. The butter is now melted. I'm going to add in the garlic. I'm just going to fry the garlic until it's light golden. So I've now got half an onion. I'm going to add it into the garlic. I'm also going to add in 1 green bullet chili. Add that in the pan too. We're just going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the onions have cooked. So we have now going to add in half a tomato. And give it a sizzle. So my tomatoes onion mixture is now ready. The spices. I'm not going to add salt and turmeric. I've added it in the dal already. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon of red chili, a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, and I'm going to add in cumin powder, 1 teaspoon again. We're now going to give it a nice stir, just for a couple of seconds. So I'm now going to add in a 1/4 cup of water in. And I'm going to add in some fresh coriander. Give it a nice mix. And this is the lentils we pre-boiled. So we are now going to add in the tarka into the lentils. It's your choice. If you want your lentils a little thicker, you don't need to add water. If you want it a little thinner, you can add in a cup of water. It's your choice. Just need it on another minute or 2 on medium to low. Can I get medium to low? So our lentils is now ready to serve, as you can see. did add a cup of water to thin it up a little. Going to serve it. I'm going to garnish with coriander again. And see, it's now ready. We hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for your kind words and encouragement. And we hope you like and subscribe. We have an aim of hitting 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again. Bye.